channel. I hope you are all fine and doing great in your lives. You are watching this video on Students Founder YouTube channel, and here on our channel you can all find video description of latest scholarships, internships, jobs. You can get to know about competitions. You can also get to know about conferences that are happening around the world. And we on our channel, we teach you how you can participate in these programs that are running all around the world. Or you can also visit our website studentsfounder.com, and here you can also find blogs. You can find information about jobs. You can find information about scholarships. You can get to know about conferences, internships, and all student related stuff. So I would request you all to please subscribe to our channel so you can stay updated with all the news that we upload on our site and on our channel. So the topic for our discussion today is fully funded Max Japanese Government Scholarship for 2021. So this scholarship has been opened by Japanese government with a purpose to offer undergraduate, master and PhD degree program from Japanese universities. So normally this application pattern of the scholarship offered by Max Japanese government is declared in April. But this year, due to COVID-19, the application cycle has been postponed. But still, in some countries, the Max scholarship for the year 2021 has been declared with a little change, and that change is that this year the knowledge of Japanese language and IELTS or TOEFL test is not compulsory, which is a really great move. So the Japanese Max scholarship is accessible to all the participants who have diplomatic relations with Japan, such as students from Asia, students from North America, students from Latin America, Pacific, and the Europe, Caribbean, Middle East, and Africa. So in the Max scholarship, all the universities of Japan are participating, which is why this is a mega project. And another exciting thing, or I would say that a good thing about this project is that it is not limited to any field of study, which means in whichever field of study you have studied in your home country, you can carry on with the same field in this Japanese government scholarship. So it means that you do not need to worry about your degree, or you do not need to worry about your field of study. You can also, another good thing is that you can also apply for the related field of the study in which you are currently involved. So if we further go down to the details of Japanese government scholarship for the year 2021, so as we already discussed that it is offered in the field which you have studied in your own country, and it is offered by the Ministry of Education, Culture, Sports, Science and Technology of Japan. So under this Japanese government scholarship program, you will get to study in the best Japanese universities, and the selection process in the university will be according to your grades and achievements. So the applicant should apply for the field of study in which they studied in the university in their country, or they can also apply to its related field by applying for Max Master and PhD scholarship. So also the field of study should be the one in which the applicant is able to study and research in graduate courses at the University of Japan. So if we talk about the duration of the scholarship, so for undergraduates it is 4 to 5 years, for masters is 2 to 3 years, and for doctorate degree program it's 3 to 4 years. The area of study, as we already discussed, and talking about the financial coverage, so it is a fully funded free scholarship, and they give you allowances in which there is a monthly stipend allowance and also a preparatory allowance. An education fee is covered by the scholarship, in which they give you entrance examination fee. university's tuition fee, all will be paid by MEXT. The traveling expenditures will be covered by them. The accommodations, you will be residing in the residence hall, which will be provided to you by the universities. So the general eligibility criteria is that any student with the nationality of Japan is not eligible to apply for this scholarship. And at the time of the application, if the applicant has Japanese nationality, he or she is not eligible. It means that either if you are a student of study in Japan, or if you in some other country but you still have the nationality of Japan, so which means you cannot apply for this scholarship. For the master course students, the applications are eligible who have completed at least 16 years of school education in other countries except Japan. And for doctoral program, those applicants are eligible who have completed 18 years of school education. So language, there is no language requirement for IELTS and TOEFL, and also knowledge of Japanese language is not compulsory, as we already discussed. And another important thing about the age limit is that applicant at the time of applying for this program should be born or born after April 2, 1985. So method to check countries which has announced MEXT scholarship. So as we already stated about, the MEXT has announced each year in April 2020, but in some countries MEXT is announced in May 2020 due to COVID-19. So this year it differs from country to country. However, the Embassy of Japan in Pakistan yesterday announced MEXT scholarship for 2021, and according to Embassy of Japan in Egypt, the MEXT scholarship will be announced in later May. So you should visit the official website of MEXT Japanese scholarship to know more details. So this is the official website of MEXT, and here you can find many categories. You can get to know about MEXT, about their organization. You can stay updated with the news. You can check their policies, and you can also check the report and statistics. So my dear viewers, I hope you learned something new today, and I also hope that you enjoyed watching this video. If you have some questions, you can ask us in the comment section below. Till then, have a good day, and I wish you good luck. Thank you.